It is well known that Fairfax County is a great place to live, work, and play. And one secret to our quality of life are the thousands of volunteers who give their time and talent to our community.
I love volunteering. I love the energy that I get not only as my students at school, but in the area and for the community. So I love to volunteer. My mother started in the late 70s. She passed the torch on to me, as well as my children are part of the programs. We started Sisters in Focus. We actually started Boys and Men programs, whereas we took those programs and took them into the schools, both the middle school and the high school in the area. Volunteering is just a part of our lifestyle. What I get out of volunteering is an opportunity to see the fruits of my labor. A lot of our young ladies that were in our programs, Sisters in Focus, they actually come back and help volunteer. Now their children are involved in programs here at the center. So it's overwhelmingly such a pleasure and an opportunity to see the fruits of our labor.
I always been a giving person. I always loved helping people. Whether they were grown up or kids or man or woman, my intention was always helping people. When I started working here, I realized how much I can do for the participant and helping them to get through their day and be happy and satisfied, make me feel satisfied and happy.
For more than 50 years, Fairfax County's Department of Neighborhood and Community Services creates volunteer opportunities that fill existing needs and provides a positive experience for those who serve.
It means a lot to me that I can come here during my free time and help out, make myself feel like I can actually do something, and to just put smiles on other people's faces.
NCS consistently recruits volunteers to fill more than 200 openings each year. There are about 800 core volunteers who serve consistently throughout the year, and they come from a large pool of over 6,000 individuals and groups. Volunteers of all ages report to a variety of sites across the county, such as senior centers and teen centers, as well as many community events that are held throughout the year.
What I want to share is that Gum Springs historically is a very good community. As president of the Gum Springs Community Center, we are able to host different programs. I want to encourage everyone to come to our community and see what we have to offer. The community's been here over 190 years. So historically, we've always been here for our community.
In a single year, our volunteers donate over 14,000 service hours to our community. This equates to a dollar value of almost $500,000. Volunteers strengthen our community, and they reap so many benefits. They make new friends, gain valuable experience, and enjoy a sense of fulfillment. NCS welcomes all volunteers, from teens who are filling service hour requirements and professionals who lead discussion groups to seniors giving their time and expertise.
One of the important tasks that I do at the Pemmit Hill Senior Center is serving lunch. I prepare lunch, I distribute the lunches to the participants, and I help out with the people who cannot come and pick up their lunch, so they can pick their lunch and go back to their table and finish their lunch. And I basically make sure that people at lunchtime get whatever they need.
We thank all our volunteers for their service to our community. There are new volunteer opportunities published weekly on the Fairfax County Volunteer website. Visit volunteerfairfax.gov, set up an account, search for an opportunity that interests you, and apply. We welcome you to our team.